Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at practical examples of how some of the world's largest companies are using advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, and digital twins to maximize their efficiency. As this image shows, the goal of these technologies is to enable companies to delegate repetitive tasks and adapt quickly to market demands, buying time and optimizing their resources. From Amazon to Starbucks, these organizations are not only improving their efficiency, but also transforming the customer experience and increasing their competitiveness in the global marketplace. Throughout this video, we will look at specific examples and how these achievements translate into tangible benefits. Join me and discover how to apply these concepts in your company to maximize performance. Amazon has revolutionized efficiency in its warehouses by using advanced robots, known as Kiva robots, that work alongside employees to automate the transport of products. These robots not only save time by moving entire shelves to employees, but also reduce the physical effort required to pick products. According to a report by MIT Technology Review, Amazon has increased efficiency in its distribution centers by 20% and reduced its operating costs by 30% thanks to this technology. Walmart has implemented AI solutions that allow it to anticipate product demand and adjust its inventory in real time. Using machine learning algorithms, they can predict which products will be in greatest demand in each season, avoiding out-of-stock problems and reducing the time spent on manual inventory management. This has allowed them to reduce the time spent on manual adjustments by 15% and improve their responsiveness, according to Forbes. General Electric has been one of the pioneers in implementing digital twins in its industrial operations. They use virtual replicas of their equipment, such as turbines and production lines, allowing them to simulate operating scenarios without shutting down the plant. This allows GE to anticipate component wear and tear and plan maintenance accurately. According to PwC, they have reduced maintenance time by 20% and improved the energy efficiency of their plants by 10%. In the financial sector, JP Morgan has adopted robotic process automation (RPA) to speed up tasks such as contract review and reporting. With this technology, the bank can review legal documents in a fraction of the time it would take to do so manually. According to Bloomberg, the implementation of RPA has reduced time spent on regulatory tasks by 40% and improved accuracy by reducing human error. Siemens has incorporated AI into its production lines to optimize quality and reduce material waste. With IoT sensors in its factories, temperature, vibration, and machine status data are analyzed in real time, enabling preventive adjustments that improve efficiency. According to Accenture, this integration has enabled Siemens to reduce downtime by 15% and improve the efficiency of its production lines by 25%. Starbucks uses advanced analytics to personalize the customer experience through its mobile app and loyalty program. Using machine learning, it analyzes customers' consumption habits, offering personalized recommendations and adjusting product preparation to meet demand. According to TechCrunch, this strategy has increased the effectiveness of its marketing campaigns by 10%. This image summarizes how these companies have managed to buy time and increase their competitiveness by implementing these advanced technologies. Each example shows how digital efficiency makes it possible to adapt quickly to the market, optimize processes, and improve the customer experience. If you are interested in applying these advances in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. We can design a strategy that maximizes your efficiency and optimizes your resources. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.